when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people that...
Sige, hindi tayo alis.
La, there.
There.
Yan, there.
There.
Two.
There.
Three, two, three, four.
There comes a time
You know, there, oh.
when we hear a certain call, when the world must come together as one.
Together.
There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all.
Mas galit.
We can go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family.
Support.
And the truth, no, love is all we need. We are the ones. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start living. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we'll make a better day. Just you and me. When you're down and out, there seems no hope at all. But if you just believe, we can fall. Well, let us realize the chance will only come. I stand together as one. We are the world.
Tuloy nyo?
We are the children.
Nahilo na ako.
We are the ones who make the brighter day. So let's start living. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we'll make a better day. Just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we'll make a better day. Just you and me. It's true, we'll make a better day. Just you and me.
Oh, pasok ha.
Angelo, hindi lahat ng kanta galit ang expression. Hindi magaling. Hindi tama yun.
There comes a time.
Tsaka hindi lahat yung dapat ganun. There.
There comes a time when we need a second dawn.
Meron kayo mga minus one.
We must come together as one.
Si ano yun? Si Cindy Lauper.
Dapat
Cindy Lauper.
ako yun.
Madami
There
sila.
comes a time
May
when we
question.
need a certain
Teka.
Ingay. Kanina nakikita ko kayo kay Teacher Monet, nagre-raise kayo ng hand. Ngayon sabay-sabay na naman kayo magsalita.
Kasi hindi tayo, important.
No.
Yung iba important sa kanila, tayo hindi.
La. Ang punas teacher.
Pahiram niyan. Oo.
Diba, hindi kayo napapagod? Saka, kaya kayo nawawalan din ng boses. Matatapos na tayo.
Teka, may bibilin lang ako.
Oo. The song, diba yung song ano siya? We are the world, we are the children, we are the... Hindi siya galit, ah?
Hindi galit na song to.
Smile.
Okay. Pag pinakinggan, meron lahat kayong -1, ha? Yung unang -1 ang gagamitin natin ng We Are the World.
Yan, napagod na si teacher.
Yung inulit sa dulo, We are the world, may nag-e-echo. We are our world. Okay, can I give assignments? Yung first two, makinig. Christina and Angelo, kayo yung sasagot ng Our World. Para lang baka mami.
Wag na, wag na.
Huwag na?
Ando naman kayo eh. Diba, sumasagot kayo?
Oo.
Wag na.
Baka sabihin.
Wag na.
Huwag na?
Afraid for love.
Sige, baka magkamali. Okay. Please, aralin nyo to, ha? Kasi wala kayong,
Mas cute naman ang mga ganun.
wala kayong papel pagdating doon. Wala.
Hello.
Memorize to.
Alam nga
Memorize.
Dali lang.
Philip.
Mas maganda may gawin.
Well, let's realize.
Let it change.
Change.
Kala ko change.
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 Change. Kasi si Cindy. Change.
Oo, change.
Si Cindy Lauper.
Kumaring
Let it change.
Let us realize that a change will only
Change.
Change.
Okay. Lunchtime. Gutom na kayo. Sino gutom?
Ako! Me.
Si Teacher Indre.
Pati si teacher gutom na. Pati si Billy Crawford gutom.
Crawford?
Crawford.
Ay, Crawford.
Crawford?
Crawford. Billy Joe Crawford. Joking. I'm joking now. The world must come together. It was wrong. And I'm people dying. If you care enough for a living,
Have to go na.
make a better place. Just you and for me. You and for me. You and for me.
Door.
Are we done?
Sino? Diyan muna kayo. Esther. Wala pang instruction.
Yung mga sinulat na notes, yung mga diction, yung TA.
Let's go. Ate Obi. Ate Obi.
Kung Friday, nilalagyan natin ng notes, binibigyan natin yung papel. Yun naman
Ate
natin binabasa. Ulit yung papel.
Ate Obi.
Baba na, oh.
Ate Obi. Dor, kanina gutom na po kami, Dor.
Pero dyan lang kayo.
Wag mo ikat.
Kung gano'n baka magsugat. Hapdi yan.
Maghihintay daw tayo dito.
Sandali. Wait, stay there. Huwag basahin yung mga love notes namin, ha?
Love
yung mga
notes.
reminders. Ha?
Sir, yes, sir.
So, yes, sir.
Sir,
Diyan kayo,
yes,
diyan
ma'am.
kayo.
Ma'am,
Oh,
mami
dito
yan,
muna,
nandun,
ate.
sir. Picture. And I'm people dying. If you care enough. Sino daw iyan?
Iwan mo muna yung bag mo.
Sino daw iyan? Kakain pa kami, teacher Ana.
Siguro. Iwan mo muna.
Uy, sino po? Uy, Amy!
Mimi ka pa, diba? Iwan mo muna dyan.
Bibay na lahat.
Mimi na lahat.
Ay! There comes a time.
Siguro dala-dala pang bottle.
What? Christina, ikaw yung umpisa doon sa ano, ha? Wow. Parang council.
Part of
God's great big family.
So, ikaw pa-practice mo yan.
There comes a time when it is certain goal. Together with the world.
Asan yung iba?